Here I've got NOKIA X71 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to display and now pick wallpaper. So it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be one from your photos, one from on-device wallpapers, or some from the whole wallpapers album. I will pick on-device wallpapers, and as you can see here are the possibilities. Let me choose for example this one, and if you truly want to apply it and if you truly want to have it as your wallpaper, click on set wallpaper. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. I will pick the third option. And this is it. As you can see, from now on your brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also lock screen. So that's it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change the display. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.